In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a budget in LinkedIn ads. Whether you're running your first campaign, adjusting an existing ad set, or simply want to make sure your ad spend is optimized, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end, you'll be able to confidently set budgets, schedules, and bids for your LinkedIn campaigns. First, open your LinkedIn Campaign Manager and go to the Budget and Schedule section for your new or existing ad set. Once you're there, look for the Budget dropdown. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't misconfigure your ad spend. Next, select your preferred budget option. You can choose daily, lifetime, or even a combination of both. Enter the budget amount you want to allocate. Keep in mind that LinkedIn will recommend a default daily budget for new ad sets, but your actual daily spend might vary depending on ad delivery and performance. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Under Schedule, select your preferred start and end dates. Be careful not to change the start date to within 24 hours of your current ad schedule, because updates might not fully implement in time, and you could be charged for both the old and new dates. Doing this beforehand can save you from unexpected charges. Once the budget and schedule are set, move on to bidding. Review the optimization goal, which LinkedIn sets automatically based on your ad objective. If needed, click Change to select a different goal, keeping in mind that some formats like sponsored messaging cannot have the optimization goal changed. For lead generation ad sets, the default is qualified leads with a maximum delivery bidding strategy, which is recommended to ensure your ads reach the members most likely to convert. Finally, review your bidding strategy. Enter your cost cap or bid amount if you're using manual bidding or cost cap strategies. This ensures your ad spend aligns with your campaign goals and helps maintain control over your budget. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set your LinkedIn ads budget, schedule, and bidding strategy easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, share it with others who might be running LinkedIn campaigns. Why not make someone's day easier? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Google Cloud badge or any professional badge to your LinkedIn profile.